In this video, I'll be showing you how to install chess.com on PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you use chess.com frequently, but you don't want to always open up your browser to play it, and you still want to go ahead and play it normally. Well, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. All you got to go ahead and do is go ahead to google.com, and then we're going to use Google Chrome as the browser. This is what I'd recommend too. So from here, all you want to go ahead and do is type in chess.com like so. And now what we want to go ahead and do is go over to the website. Now you can get started and things like that, but you're not going to see an option to go ahead and download, to your PC or anything like that. You're only going to see play online and a bunch of different settings and things like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is on the top right, you want to press the three little dots. Now from here, go over to cast, save and share, and you're going to see install chess. Once you do that, it's going to ask you if you want to install the app, and then all you're going to do is press install right here, and then that's it. It's now going to be installed as an application, and I can even pin it to my taskbar if I want to. If I ever want to stop that, press the three little dots again, and I can uninstall it too. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.